My name's Jeremy Megan. I'm Channel Sales Manager for Rockwell Automation Partnership and Distribution Network. I cover North America, Australia, and New Zealand. And WIN-911, we're an alarm notification software product that integrates into SCADA and other automation systems. WIN-911 delivers critical plant alarm and event information to remote workers. We can do that using text messages. We have a smartphone and tablet app that we can push notifications to. We can also call you or email you. We complement the Rockwell Factory Talk architecture and take that data to ensure it's delivered to the right person if they need to address an issue or maybe just acknowledge an alarm remotely. So some of the key industries for us are really life sciences, food and beverage, water and wastewater treatment, oil and gas is a big one, as well as data centers and infrastructure projects. We're a customer-first organization. We are constantly working on our product to make it better and add additional capabilities that our customers and partners ask for us. As a result of our product, most of our customers see really faster response times, less downtime. Implementing an alarm notification system really allows for remote workers to focus on other tasks while we monitor the critical events and directly alert the right people as needed to fix issues.